and every time we hit the club it's like shh, wow. She's a 9 out of 10. Oh man, we playing to win. I'm hoping that this thing we got will never come to an end, cause that might tear me apart. It's always good from the start. The way we move, yeah, the groove is like Picasso and art. Now she all